Are you looking for natural ways to detox your kidneys? Look no further. Today, we will be sharing the best homemade drinks that will help cleanse and detoxify your kidneys. The first drink on our list is a simple yet effective combination of lemon water. Lemons are known for their natural detoxifying properties and are excellent for cleansing the kidneys. Next up, we have a refreshing cucumber and mint detox drink. Cucumbers are a great source of hydration and are also packed with nutrients that can help your kidneys function properly. Last but not least, we have a delicious beetroot and ginger detox drink. Beetroots are rich in antioxidants and can help support kidney health. Ginger adds a spicy kick and also has anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit your kidneys. By incorporating these homemade drinks into your daily routine, you can help your kidneys stay healthy and functioning optimally. Cheers to good kidney health. Thank you for watching, and remember, the best way to detox your kidneys is by going natural with these homemade drinks. Stay hydrated and stay healthy.